Bonjour à tous, hi there, my name is Jérémy Lobria, I'm 36 years old, I'm French, and 1 year ago I created my own company, Revel.
Jeremy's first project is synonymous with pleasure and sharing. Cheese.
Let me show you my vision of the perfect cheese knife.
After many tests and many full stomachs, his idea was clear.
I wanted to combine 3 kinds of blades.
To allow for slicing, cutting, sawing, and stitching, all with a single knife. Let's see the blades in action with a variety of cheeses. A smooth-bladed knife, easy to sharpen for soft cheeses such as Camembert and Brie. A saw with a perforated and serrated blade for fresh and fragile cheeses as well as for breads. An axe with a wide heel for pressed and cooked cheeses like Gruyere, cheddar, and Parmesan. To accomplish this, he first sketched models and made prototypes in cardboard, sheet metal, and steel. For the next step, he took the road toward the French region of volcanoes, Auvergne. Welcome to Thiers. Beginning with the Celts, passing through the Roman and the Middle Ages, it has always stood as the French capital of cutlery. This is Alexandre, a passionate blacksmith. He works for the greatest French chefs and luxury brands. From hot forging to finishing, it is a multifaceted work that requires several weeks between the cutting of the raw material to the finished custom-made part. The pieces of steel are heated to 1080 degrees Celsius or 1976 degrees Fahrenheit and forged between 2 powerful hammers. After this forging work, the stamping process is conducted in numerous phases: soaking, cutting, calibration, grinding, polishing, sharpening, and notching. The best way to test a blade? Through practical experience, of course. The result? Approval by the master.
As for the handle, Hollywood. For me, it is the noblesse of trees. This is made by a woodworker in the mountains of Massif Central.
Finally, he decided to test his knife with a professional cheesemonger. Double thumbs up! Jeremy now finds himself at the pre-series production stage and...
The industrial adventure starts now with you!